In this video, I'll show you how to change text font in Microsoft Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So this is it, and I'm going to change this text font now for this I've just typed now, right? In this video, I will show you how to change text font in Microsoft Word. So what I need to do, I'm going to right click my mouse, I'll hold it firmly, adjust this, right? Then I'll scroll my mouse over to this setting, right? So this is it, font. Change the font face. So what I need to do, if you change the font face of what I've just typed in your Microsoft Word, your text will appear differently, right? So if you click on this, you'd be displayed with some selected options, right? So anyone I want to choose, you can choose below. I can just choose this. This is area black. So you can see my text has changed. You can choose this. Your text will change. You can choose any of your desired choice, right? But the mostly used one is Times New Roman, right? So you scroll down to the very end, you spot Times New Roman text font. So this is one of the best one you can use for your testing here on Microsoft Word. You'd click on it. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.